that means that no, they don't have any, a bit of trepidation in there, or thinking, oh, okay, what if I get it wrong? But remember that because we're here, we're in a safe place. So when we begin to prophesy over one another, you're allowed to get it wrong. You're allowed to get it wrong. Yeah? Okay. So, Narissa.
Yeah.
And I'm doing it in this way, in this laid-back way, just so that you know that it's natural. There's nothing spooky about it. Yes, I can pray, which is fine. I can pray in the Spirit and listen, but I just want to be very casual because I just want to, I'm not, what's the word to use? I just want you to know that we can all prophesy. Okay? I didn't say so much about myself and my background, but it might come in a little bit. But I work with Tomi Arayami, Apostle Tomi, who has been here before. Some of you might know him. So I work as his assistant. I do all sorts of work. But part of what I do is I volunteer for him. I work as his assistant. And he is so good at making people realize that prophets, you could be a prophet of God, but you're people, you're a person. So he teaches people to be prophets and prophets to be people. So I just want to be natural, even though I could go all, lady bosh, kibrani. There's nothing wrong with that, and we do pray in the Spirit to pray over people, but I just want you to know that you can be, because God has a sense of humor as well. So Narissa, let me just try and get to the point here. Let me see now, what is the Lord saying to Narissa? Narissa, I hear the Spirit of the Lord saying to you that He's seen your hard work. I hear Him say that He's seen your faithfulness. But I hear Him say that He wants to stretch you. And you might think now that you've got so much to do and you're doing a lot. But I really hear the Lord saying that He wants to stretch you. And I feel that in the area of youth work, even though it might seem that, but Lord, do I have this capacity? I believe the Lord is saying, I want to expand, I want to enlarge your capacity. And when I enlarge your capacity, you'll just find out that you can do more and that you do more. I don't know what you currently do for work or anything like that, but I really hear a passion in your heart not for the circular, and maybe at the moment you are in the circular, but I really hear a passion for your heart. And I really see the Lord, what I see, and I don't know how soon or whether it's way in the future, I don't know, but I see all these weekends away. I see these camps where you're just drawing people and you're saying, you know what, we're going for the whole weekend, we're just going to bury our face and seek God, and we're going to have impartation from God. And I really hear the Lord saying that even though you might be doing stuff for the New Testament Church of God, He wants to connect you with other ministries. And that might seem like, oh, but He wants to connect you with other ministries because what He's put on the inside of you at the moment is not everything that you're using. And I don't know whether you write at all, but I hear the Spirit of the Lord saying that you're a writer, and I hear Him saying that you need to write for the youth. I hear Him say you need to go up the next level, and you need to write stories that you explain in such a way that you break it down. You know how to break things down, and you make it really simple. And because of that, I really sense the Lord saying that He wants you to write. He wants you to take it up, take it to the next notch, and people will be so blessed by it. And you're saying that, where am I going to find the time to do all of this? And the Lord says, if you trust Him, He will help you to just organize your life. There'll be seasons. There'll be seasons of writing, seasons of seeking, seasons of doing, different things. And He'll just help you to put everything in place. So I hope that resonates with you in some way, shape, or form.